Hi again, Jennifer. I've got your second question up on the screen here. Sorry, it's a little difficult to read. I had to take a screenshot off, like just as a photo with my iPad off my computer screen. So I think that the problem here is just in your solution when you're solving your equation for the first derivative. I know it's hard to see on the screen here, but I know you have the original, so if you can just follow along with what I'm saying. For this step here, that's right, and it could be rewritten as 2x minus 1 over x squared equals 0. So one thing that you could do at that point then would be to multiply through by x squared, so you would have 2x cubed minus 1 equals 0. And then if you wanted to, you could factor that as a difference of cubes, or you can take your 1 over like you did to the other side, but I think you took it over as a negative 1, or at some point it became a negative 1, and that's where the problem lies. Here you've got a minus 1/2, and so when you take the cube root, then your mistake's not going to show up as much as it would have in a square root situation where it wouldn't be able to take the square root of a negative. It will actually give you the cube root of a negative, but in this case the value should be positive. And so the x value for what you're supposed to get here is actually the cube root of 1 over 2, which you could also write as 1 over the cube root of 2. So when you're testing your values up here and you're trying to find what's going on with your crit values, that's why you're not getting it changing from plus to minus or minus to plus. If you try it with a positive value, then you can change it into a decimal if you want, because you just need to be in that area in order to know what's happening as you're moving from the left towards that point and then moving away from it towards the right. So I think that might help in terms of the problem that you're experiencing with question 26. And if you need more clarification on the next steps, then please email me back and I'll be happy to help.